Hello guys, Mr. TC once again back to you for another idea of housing. And thanks for all those one who've been sending me message asking how I am. And as you can see, I'm back to you for even more project this time. And remember, in the last video I was telling you that we're gonna restart with some reviews, right? So after some thinking, I was like, you know what? We can mix a review with a nice project. So today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm creating a nice door in order to protect the kids from falling into the stairs. Without forgetting our lovely sponsors, the sponsor for this video is Gearbest. 2 weeks ago we had a crazy weather here in the Netherlands. Unbelievable. I'm from the Caribbean and believe me, I was dying. I was like, oh, this is not possible. I better get back home. Alright, so they are providing us with a mini air conditioning, which is helping us so to cool down at home, in the bedroom, wherever you are, you can bring it with you, and even at the office. So you will be having a little bit more information about this product in case you want to get one as well. Alright, let's start.
Comes the thing called.
And the first thing I will do here is to set up all the machines in order to start working. To make the different cut, I will advise you to use your meter saw, but you could also use your handsaw, jigsaw, or whatever saw you have. And the only material I will be using for this design are 6 pieces of lumber measuring 2.10 meter long, 4.2 centimeter large, and the same in thickness. And here I'm taking the measurements in order to create the top and bottom side. Then moving after that to my meter saw.
No bad vibes, good vibes all day. Call your family and friends, it's a good sunny day. Kids them up play from Sunday to Sunday. Let's all have fun, we have food and rum. Father God, it's a blessing to see another day, even though it's
after also cutting each side, I'm taking again the piece of wood going at the bottom in order to have the right measurements in order to insert it.
Alright.
Feeling so nice. Sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
Gotcha now.
Sunshine has got me
Alright.
feeling so nice. Sunshine has got me
Gotcha now.
feeling so nice and happy.
Then once again, moving to my meter saw.
Whether you're black or white, I miss a purple or blue. Love is for you, love is for you.
Then now it's time to have a look on the entire frame. And as you can see, it's already looking pretty cool. So now I'm taking the measurements in order to create the different pieces of wood going into the gates. Now that all the cuts are made, it's time to see if they fit into the frame.
Give me the sunshine, give me the sunshine, give me the sunshine to make a girl.
As you can see, they were fitting pretty well. So now that we have all pieces, it's time to cut using the table saw. And the cut that we will do here using the meter saw are in order to insert the middle section into the top and bottom side. And to do so, we will just remove 1.5 centimeter on each side. And at the end, I will end up with a very nice rectangle. Now that we have all middle sections ready, I'm gonna be tracing their final placement in order to create the different gaps. And now that I've been able to find all the right placement, I will be here digging each holes using my router.
Watch you now, live in a sunshine, one of the best atmosphere. 95 degrees, you know we not care. On the beach we have to reach.
And if you are planning to create the same design, I will advise you to use some clamps in order to make sure they don't move at all, especially for safety reasons. As you may know, routers are very powerful, so if the piece of wood are not very clamped, it can be very messy and destroy your entire creation.
To see another day, even though it's hot, we love it anyway. It's the perfect time to work or play.
Then using my chisel, I will be removing the excess and squaring up the different holes.
Alright.
And as you can see, it's perfectly going inside the hole.
Gotcha now.
Okay, let's move on and create the other holes.
Gotcha now. Come now. Well, it's a tropical vibe, everything alright. But me no in a no fuss, and me no in a no fight. Whether you're black or white, and me say purple or blue. Love is for you, love is for you. Wake up every morning with a clean heart.
Then now, time to use some wood glue in order to make sure that they all stay in place.
Meet and greet friends, night and day. Well, if you're coming in from the cold, the sunshine, it is good for your soul. Go and tell your friend, tell them and tell you so. It's a positive vibe from head to toe. Strictly love we are.
And now that we have the bottom, top and middle section ready, it's time to attach each side to complete the frame. And before using the screws, I will be pre-drilling each holes in order to avoid breaking the wood. Then now, time to insert each screws. Already looking pretty cool, huh? Okay, we are not done yet. So now I'm gonna be using my belt sander in order to flatten each side.
Watch ya now, live in a sunshine, one of the best atmosphere. 95 degrees, you know we no care. On the beach we are
Then finishing with some sandpaper
sun so hot you have to put on your shades. Ladies come out in short and you bikini.
to finally apply some wooden filler in order to fill up each unuseful holes before painting.
Call your family and friends, it's a
Then
good
using the sandpaper again one last time
Sunday to Sunday. Let's all have fun, we have food and rum. Father God,
to move to the final stage, which is painting the entire design in white. And if you're asking me why I choose the white, it's just because the entire house is in white. So we're gonna match up everything.
Feeling so nice, sunshine has got me feeling so nice and happy.
Gotcha now.
Sunshine has got me
Alright.
feeling so nice.
And to be honest with you, trying it in another place inspired me to create some more for my own kids. And we all know how energetic they can be.
White and me say purple or blue. Love is for you, love is for you. Wake up every morning with a clean heart.
Alright guys, I hope that you liked it. You know, one of the goals is also showing you how you can create your own design at home. Do it yourself. So pretty soon we will be sharing with you a free plan that you will be able to download. And in order to receive your free plan, you will need to sign up to our newsletter. So feel free to check out the link that we'll be sharing with you below this video, in the description actually. And you all know that our community is about sharing ideas, sharing useful tips that we all can use at home in order to create our own design, our own idea of housing. This is it. Alright, so you will find different ideas, especially this one here from Zach in Canada, showing you how to create a beautiful bed. So feel free to check it out. And if you also have ideas to share with us, feel free to do it via the ATC app. The link will be showing in a few minutes just above here for you. And if you have any questions, if you want to know things, if you want to share ideas, just do it. It's a free platform open for everyone, all around Europe, all around the world. As I told you at the beginning, the sponsor for this video is Gearbest, offering us a very nice mini air conditioning. You know, after a very long day of work like this one, it's very warm. You want to cool down a little bit, right? So our sponsor have been sending this beautiful product for us, and I will be creating another video for you. Tomorrow, you will be seeing everything you can do with it. Alright, I will see you tomorrow then. Mr. ETC, once again, for another idea of housing. See you next time.